everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are making a paper sculpture. So all you need today is a piece of drawing paper, something to draw with, and something to cut with. So today I'm going to be using a pair of scissors, markers, and crayons. The trick to this project is to make sure that we fold and cut correctly. So we are going to be cutting out some lines on our folded paper, and that's going to allow us, our sculpture can be flat. Let me try and fold everything back in. It can be flat, and the way that we're going to make it stand up is by alternating the way in which we fold each of these legs so that they're going in all directions, and this will actually sit on top of your table or your desk or your mantle or wherever you want it to go. It will sit on top if you fold it just so. Today we're going to be making lots of different abstract marks, patterns, lots of different colors. You're going to be able to color it on both sides, so that way once it's folded, no matter what direction you're looking at it from, it will be a bright, bold, and beautiful sculpture wherever you place it. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.